Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video I will show you how to export an SQL Azure database to a backpack file, and then how to import that backpack file back to create a new SQL database on the Microsoft SQL Azure platform. So this is my portal.azure.com. I am on the dashboard, and if you see the resource group, so I have created a resource group named Learn SSIS resource group, and I also have created an storage account, a Learn SSIS storage account, and which is situated inside the West US location, and the resource group this is situated is Learn SSIS RG. So if you open this particular resource storage account, so you will notice that I have created a test container inside this particular resource group test container, which is currently empty and it doesn't have anything inside it. So I will be exporting my SQL database to this particular container, this test container, and then I have created a SQL server here on my machine. So my SQL server name is Learn SSIS, and this particular SQL server contains one database. So if you open the SQL databases from this pane, you can see that I have a SQL database AdventureWorks test, which is situated inside the Learn SSIS SQL server, and the pricing tier is basic and the location is West US. So let's see how we can export this particular database AdventureWorks test to a backpack file. So to do that, just go to the manage.windowsazure.com and then log in with your credentials. So you should be on the home page, which is I am right now. So to export a SQL database, click the SQL databases from the left pane, and then you should see the available SQL databases. So in this particular case, I am going to export the AdventureWorks test database. So just simply click this arrow, and then to export this particular database, simply click export button, and then it will ask you the name of the backpack file. So let the default settings as it is, and then choose the storage account which will be used to store the export backpack file. So I'm going to choose the Learn SSIS storage account, and let's choose the container as well to keep the backpack file. So I'm choosing the test container in this particular case, and then provide the SQL server admin and password. So this is my username SQL admin, and now I'm typing my password. And now as I provided the required settings, so let's click this button. So now it's exporting the SQL database AdventureWorks test to my storage account. So it should take a couple of minutes to export the database. So now as you can see that the AdventureWorks test database has been exported successfully. So to verify that the database got exported successfully, go back to the portal.azure.com and you can open the storage account. So let's open the Learn SSIS storage account, and it should have a container, test container, and this container should contain the backpack file. So this is the backpack file AdventureWorks test with today's date time stamp. So this is how we can export a SQL Azure database to a backpack file. Now let's import this backpack file back to create a new SQL database. So go back to the manage.windowsazure.com, and then so we are at the same screen from where we exported this particular database. So to create a new database from the backpack file, simply click configure, and then inside it, there is an option create from export. So simply click new database, and to create a new database, click OK, and then click plus button, and from the it's saying that data services SQL database, and then import. So simply click on the import button, and it's asking for the backpack file location. So browse for the backpack file From the left side, choose the learn SSIS and then choose the test container. So you can see there is an AdventureWorks test file here. So click open. So we have selected this particular file. So this will be my new database name. So I'm just going to put the database name as AdventureWorks test new, and the service tiers will be basic, and the server name will be learn SSIS. So I just simply click next. So let me provide the SQL username and password for my learn SSIS SQL Server credentials. So I just simply click OK. So it's importing the SQL database AdventureWorks new. Okay, so our import database AdventureWorks test team got succeeded. So you can verify that. Go back to the SQL servers and open the learn SSIS SQL server, and you can see now we have two databases, AdventureWorks test and AdventureWorks test new. Thanks guys for watching the video, and if you like the video then please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel to see more videos on SSIS and related technologies. Thank you.